In my previous video, we talked about how to do font formatting, which comes with font color, font size, and font style. In today's video, we are going to learn how to apply borders in Excel. So border will make your table look readable and look outstanding. So first of all, to do that, we walk to this section of the home tab. If you watch closely, looks like we omitted something that looks like a small window. This is called the border icon. So if you click down on the border icon, you're going to see so many options to work with. Okay, now let's start. First of all, to apply border here, I want to have a different border format for my heading, my total, and this information here. So I'll just select everything but the heading, total, and the small information at the top right corner. So as I selected it, now what you need to do is to go to the border, then click on all borders. Once you click on all borders, if I click away, you see that borders has been automatically applied here. Okay, now to make my total row stand out, what I need to do is I'll select my total row. Once I select my total row, I'll come to this drop down button. Once I click on it, I'll just select. You can actually select top and tick bottom border, or you can select top and double bottom border, but I love top and tick bottom border better. So if I click on it, as you can see, there's a border on top, and on the bottom you have a thick border. Okay, that is the essence. Now this is my small box outside here. I want to make it standard as well. So what I need to do is I'll click on it, then go to the drop down icon again, then I'm going to choose thick outside border. So this is thick outside border. As you can see, it made this a separate entity on its own, showing that we worked with this information here on the table. It's not part of the table, yes, but we worked with it to achieve some information on the table. Now, remaining my heading. To make my heading stand out, what I need to do is I'll select the heading first, then go to my borders, then I'll go to more borders to choose more option. Then I want a single tick line underneath the heading, so I'll tick on tick line, then automatic. I'll click on the color I want the tick line to be. Then the next thing now is to click on the bottom border, because I just want just a single line on the bottom of the heading. So if I click away, as you can see, there's a thick line underneath the heading, just highlighting the heading on its own. So this is just how to do border in Excel. Apply border in Excel, sorry. And as you can see now, this information, this table looks far better than when there is no border applied to it. So if I'm sick and tired of all these borders and I want to get rid of the borders, what you need to do is just to click on Ctrl A to select every information that you applied border to, or the spreadsheet. Then go to this drop down button, click on no border, click away. As you can see, we are back to where we just started. Easy peasy.